Imagine sitting quietly, doing nothing, but your body is releasing radiation right now. Sounds dangerous, right? But here's the crazy part. Every human on Earth is slightly radioactive. So are you in danger, or is this completely normal?
Let's break this down in a simple way. When we hear the word radiation, we think of nuclear explosions or toxic waste, but radiation isn't always harmful. In fact, your body naturally produces it.
The main reason you're radioactive comes from something inside you right now: potassium. Your body needs potassium to survive. It helps your nerves fire and your muscles move. But here's the twist. A tiny part of that potassium is a special type called potassium 40, and potassium 40 is radioactive. That means it slowly breaks down and releases small amounts of radiation inside your body. Now, before you panic, this radiation is extremely small. In fact, your body has evolved to handle it easily. You're not glowing. You're not mutating. And you're definitely not turning into a superhero. It's just a natural process happening in all living humans. And it's not just you. Bananas are radioactive. The ground is radioactive. Even the air around you has tiny amounts of radiation. So yes, you're radioactive, but so is almost everything around you. Let's put it into perspective. The amount of radiation is so small that it's measured in tiny units. You would need thousands of times more radiation for it to even begin to be dangerous. So, in simple terms, you're radioactive, but at a completely safe level. Here's something cool. Scientists can actually detect human radiation using sensitive equipment. That means technically you are measurably radioactive. So the next time you hear the word radiation, don't panic, because your own body is proof that not all radiation is dangerous. In fact, it's just part of being human. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about your body. And tell me in the comments, did you know you were radioactive before this?